Southwest, we provide anything from underslab waterproofing to below grade waterproofing, plaza deck waterproofing, planters. Waterproofing is meant to keep water out of your building, which is going to reduce mold, water damage, but waterproofing only goes below grade. It's all underground. Above grade, above ground is what we call air barrier. And the purpose between, or the reason that people do air barrier on their buildings is to keep your electric bill down.
The biggest thing waterproofing wise is, making sure water doesn't come into the building. That's the biggest thing that we protect on, is making sure that the substrate's a sound substrate and making sure everything is buttoned up correctly per manufacturer's details, specifications, and make sure everything's done correctly.
Southwest is different from other companies because we have new and existing job sites. We have a new construction that I'm in, and then we do have a remedial side that can take any existing building and renovate it to be watertight or help with energy costs. We have so many different divisions that we may have guys out there doing saw cutting, and then we'll work directly for the concrete company to either do joint sealants or joint fillers. We have decorative concrete division that sometimes they need us to do some prep work for them. So we all work as a team.
We have a whole team of safety. We have a whole team in my division for quality control. There's 3 of them. So that's all their job is to do, is go check our crews to make sure they're doing it right per specs. And we also have production managers. So they run the jobs. They actually correspond with the superintendents, the project managers. So it's a team of people on that project with tons of knowledge.
We have estimating team, we have production team, we have project management teams, we have sales teams, and each project has its own team. I think that's what gets us across the finish line at a good time, good pace, and make sure we ensure a good project is done.
We are of value to the customer because it's one phone call. They don't have to call multiple companies to get the same amount of work done. They can call one source. We do it all in-house. The best time for Southwest Construction to get involved in waterproofing is during the bidding process. We should get a bid invite with a set of drawings, a set of specifications, and we will scrub the drawings and submit products within spec, but also within our knowledge of waterproofing.
We get the invitations to bid from the client. Then it goes to our bid coordinator, so she downloads the plans, takes care of all the specifications for our estimating team. Once the estimating team does their quantified takeoff, it goes to the salesman. And once the salesman puts his numbers to it, allocates everything, goes through the plans, specs, details of the project, then we send it out to the client. And I think we do a great job at presenting the client with our proposal with everything they need. When they look at our proposal, there's no questions asked about our product.
Once awarded, we touch base with the general contractor, set up what we call a pre-construction meeting. We'll sit down in a room together, sometimes with some of the other trades involved, and we'll go through processes, schedules, specific details that could be troubling. Once the pre-construction portion is finished, then we'll attend weekly subcontractor meetings to help coordinate work. And then we have quality control team that goes out and makes sure everything's being installed per design.
We've been in the industry for 32 years. We're not going anywhere. They know with that warranty we give them at the end of the project, they know we're going to be there at the end for years to come.